great day and another video. So, today is April 2020 and as we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic invaded us worldwide. And one of the most important tools to slow down the transmission of the novel coronavirus is by social distancing. We need to stay at home to contain the virus. But some of us still needs to perform their work, even by just staying at home. I have this friend of mine who needs their document in PDF format, but they cannot go to their offices because of COVID-19. And they don't have any computer or laptop at home. How can they convert their files to PDF format? By just using their phone. Photos or picture that will convert to PDF, or Microsoft Word that will convert to PDF, or Microsoft Excel that will convert to PDF. Let's see if that's possible. I think it is very important to let all of you know, especially during this pandemic, we can go to our respective offices on how to convert files to PDF format using any kind of mobile phones. And if you are new to my channel and interested in this kind of video, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be more updated every time I upload new videos. So all you need is your mobile phones, your files, and internet connections. So what's good about this is you don't need to register, no installation, and of course no watermarks. So we are all set, let's begin! So the first step is you should have data or Wi-Fi connection. Good thing about this is you don't need to register or install a software. There is online PDF converter that is suitable for us, and it works perfectly on all devices and popular browsers like Paragas, Chrome, or Opera. But for today, we will be using our Chrome browser. So let's go now to our Chrome and just type convert file to PDF. So for the results, you will see that there is so many online PDF converter, but we will use this smallpdf.com. Next is you will just have to drag and drop your file into the toolbox to begin. You can convert Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to PDF format. And then the PDF files will now convert to the type of file you choose. So we need to click the Choose Files button, then click Files to upload your files from your phone storage. Now we will choose a sample photo that we will use to convert to PDF format. So I'm gonna use this one as a sample. Sorry for using Ayu and Legion photo. I'm just a fan. Then we will just have to wait for the photo to be converted. So that's it. Our photo has been now successfully converted to PDF format. Now you can download your PDF file or choose to send it to email or save to Dropbox. There is so many things this online PDF converter has to offer. You can continue to rotate the PDF file you converted, or convert it again to Word, or continue to merge the PDF, or continue to compress, edit, or modify the output if necessary. So now let's check our photo that we converted to PDF. You can also rename your converted PDF file. So because this is just a sample, I will just leave it that way and then press download. Okay, there you go. Now we are done with the photo that we converted to PDF. We will now try the Excel file to convert to PDF format. Click the Start Over and let's try to upload a sample Excel file. So now let's open our WPS Office. And let's choose this Excel file. Upload. And now converting to PDF format. Okay, now let's download the file again and let's check the output. Okay, so now we successfully made our Excel file converted to PDF format. So now we will now try to reconvert the PDF file to Excel file. We just have to click the Start Over and upload our Excel converted to PDF file to be converted to Excel again. So this is our Excel converted to PDF file. And as you can see, once you uploaded the converted PDF file, there is 3 options. You can convert it again to Word, to Excel, or PowerPoint. Now, we will convert it back again to Excel file. Let's choose to Excel and convert to Excel. And then, choose option. For our security, all our file transfers are secured with an advanced level of SSL encryption, and they destroy all files automatically from their servers. So let's check the output again if it is converted to Excel file again. Alright, so it is in the Excel format again. So you can do the vice versa conversion if you want. So this is what it looks like if we want to send it to other email. Then if you want to save it to Dropbox, you just have to log in your Dropbox account. Alright, so now we're done. Now we know that we can easily convert and modify our PDF files even if we don't have any computer or laptop at home, as long as we have our mobile phones, our files, and our internet connections, and we're all set up. So yeah guys, that's all for today, and I hope you learned something from it. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. I see you on my next China tutorial. Bye-bye! Time for shoutouts! Shoutout to Journey of Santi. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Next is Emily Pigalon. Hello Emily! Thank you for watching. Shoutout sa'yo. Okay, next is our 4-Fit Travelers. Ayan, sa mahilig mag-travel, pwede kayo mag-visit sa channel nila. Marami silang videos doon. Maganda. Next, shout out to Peter Pan and Claire. Ayan. So, maganda din guys yung vlogs nila. Pwede nyo i-visit yung channel nila. I think Japanese couple vloggers sila. Ang gaganda na vlogs sila. Pwede nyo rin ma-visit. Next naman. And next is, ayan, si Deso Channel PH. Ayan, si Besh. Hello, Besh. Shout out sa'yo. Ayan, siya yung friend ko dito sa YouTube. Pwede nyo rin guys i-visit yung channel niya. Marami kayong matututunan doon sa kanyang channel. Very informative. Ayan, so next. So, shout out to Her Kafada Osman. Ayan. So, hello. Shout out sa'yo. Yung comment niya, tinranslate ko yan sa language niya to English. And nabasa ko. And natuwa naman ako kasi maganda naman yung comment niya. So, hello sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Okay, next. Shout out. Shout out to Shay Adeva. Ayan. So, kakastart niya pa lang ng kanyang channel. Pwede kayo mag-visit doon. And pwede kayo mag-subscribe sa channel niya. And last for today is Tom Yung Sisig. Ayan. So, hello sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Shout out sa'yo. So, ayan guys. Yan muna for today. So, susunod siguro ulit ako mag-shout out. At comment na lang kayo if gusto nyong magpa-shout out. Hi guys! So, ayan. Dagdag ko lang guys. So, marami kasi nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung mga tips pwede ko maibigay sa kanila para ma-monetize yung mga channel nila. And ito, dagdag ko lang to. Number 1, iwasan nyo lang yung reused content. Huwag kayo mag-upload ng mga reused content. As much as possible, mag-upload kayo ng mga originally content nyo lang talaga, yung kayo lang talaga yung gumawa. And then, iwasan nyo rin yung mga copyrighted music, copyrighted materials. Ayan. And then, siguro, double check lang lagi. Ingat lang lagi sa paggagamit ng mga materials na ginagamit natin for, vlogs. Ayan, kasi, sinecheck din niya ni YouTube kapag i-review na kayo for monetization. So, ayun lang. So, thank you all for watching. Bye-bye! Subscribe na kayo. See you again sa next video.